Hello Reno community, my name is Max Whalen and I'm a wetland tech with Truckee Meadows Park Foundation. Today we're here at Huffaker Hills Trailhead where we will be doing the 1 mile Lakeview Loop.
Hi everyone, my name is Sierra. I'm a naturalist educator at Truckee Meadows Parks Foundation. So like Max said, we're doing the Lakeview Loop. It's a 0.7 mile loop, really easy. There's great wildflowers to view, lots of birding, and like I said, it's pretty easy so it won't leave you huffing.
And my name is Kayla. I'm a naturalist educator as well, and please remember to keep your dog on leash and to pick up after them. Please enjoy our video, and let's go! Located in South Reno off of Alexander Lake Road, situated to the south of Rattlesnake Mountain, is Huffaker Hills Trailhead. The parking lot is small but offers handicap parking. There is also a picnic area where you can enjoy lunch and the surrounding views. This area was named after Granville Huffaker, a prominent homesteader who is said to have lived in a dugout cave before building his house. Today for our Discover Your Parks walk, we will be hiking along the Lakeview Loop, a modest hike offering views of Lake Alexander and a plethora of native wildflowers. Don't forget to bring your binoculars, you never know what birds you'll see. The trail is compacted soil with many rocky areas. Huffaker Hills was created by volcanic activity. When eruptions took place, the lava would gather around the eruption site, forming domes. Today, you see the aftermath as many rocks protruding through the soil. These rocks are a mix of andesite and breccia. Andesite rocks like this can help us determine age. Andesite that has been worn down or exposed to the air for a long time turns a dull brown, but freshly broken areas are black. Speaking of all these rocks, let's see if we can find some critters living underneath.
Wolf spiders carry their babies on their backs, so be careful if you ever find one. You don't want a million babies crawling off mom. Please remember to always put the rock back where you found it. A little bit into the trail, you will come up on a perfectly placed picnic table to take in the mountain views. The beautiful scenes aren't just around us, but popping up amongst the rocks. Some of these wildflowers we found along the Tom Cook Trail, but many more are starting to show their brilliant colors. Yellow desert paintbrush is a biennial plant species that is native to North America. It's considered a hemiparasite, which means it can not only photosynthesize, but can also parasitize nutrients from other organisms. Fiddleneck is an annual wildflower that is native to western North America. It is poisonous to livestock due to alkaloids and high concentrations of nitrates.
And you might find these critters flying around. This is a little bear beetle. Its range is the Great Basin to Colorado Plateau, east of the Sierra Nevadas. Its favorite food is junipers, but you can find it munching on many plants in the desert. They are part of the scarab family, and they get their name because they are fuzzy. Be careful not to step on these critters. We found many using the trail.
As you come to the end of the walk, Alexander Lake will appear on your right. It is a privately owned reservoir located east of the hiking trail. You can find a variety of waterfowl utilizing this lake. Today we saw Clark's grebe, common mergansers, Canada geese, and mallards. As we finished our walk, a spiny lizard scurried up the rock to enjoy the sun with us.
Okay everyone, we're back from our hike and we're enjoying this nice picnic space to relax. So Max, what was your favorite part of the hike?
Oh, honestly, mine was probably the prickly hop sage.
Nice. And Sierra, what was yours?
I loved all the beautiful wildflowers. There's so many great ones out there.
Yeah, there's a lot of them popping up. I think my favorite part was flipping the rocks and looking at all the cool arthropods. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the special features of this park. Please leave us a comment letting us know what your favorite part was, and stay tuned for our next Discover Your Parks walk. Until then, remember to be a steward.
Bye!